Welcome to Dark Horse Auto and Diesel. In this video I'm going to show you a very easy repair, and we're going to replace the hood struts on this car. It'll be the same for most vehicles, even the like if you got a hatch or something like that, it'll still be pretty much the same. Just make sure you got it supported by something, which if you're doing this, you've probably already got it supported by something. Otherwise you're going to smack your head. So what you do is just get a little screwdriver or something and get in there, pop that out, and then do the same here. And then grab your new one, which may attach in a different orientation than the one you took off. It's fine, doesn't matter. And then just take it and push it on. That's literally all there is to it. Cool. Now I won't get smacked in the head while I finish this job.